Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can change your preferred payment method on PayPal. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go over on this blue bar and find wallet. Once you've clicked on wallet, you should have here multiple payment options. For example, PayPal balance and other cards that you have on your account. And to make one of these methods as your preferred payment method, just click on the one that you want, for example this one, and as you can see here, if I go down, I have set as preferred as a button, and I click on it. In my case it doesn't work, but in your case should work on any method that you have on currently on your account. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.